Hello and welcome to the ninth and the last video of the cell series. In this video, we'll be looking into the genetic algorithms. Genetic algorithms in programming stimulate the process of natural selection, which means those species who can adapt to change in their environment are able to survive and reproduce and go to the next generation. In simple words, they stimulate survival of the fittest among individuals of consecutive generations for solving a problem. Genetic algorithms are based on an analogy with genetic structures and behaviors of chromosomes of the population. The foundations of GA are based on the analogies, such as individuals in a population compete for resource and mate. Individuals who are successful or who are the fittest then mate to create more offsprings than the others who are not fitted or not successful. The genes from the fitted parent propagate throughout the generation, that is, sometimes parents create offsprings which are better than either of the parents. Thus, each successive generation is more suited for their environment. The components of the search space in GA. The genes represents a single solution to a problem. The chromosome, that is the individual, is composed of several genes or multiple similar solutions. The population of individuals are maintained within the search space, that is, all solutions of the problems. So basically, the whole genetic algorithm can be summarized as the randomly initialization and population, determine fitness of the population, and until convergence repeat, that is, to select parents from the population, crossover of the and generate new population, perform mutation on new population, and calculate fitness for the new population. This brings us to the topic of fitness scores. The GAs maintain the population of n individuals, that is n number of chromosomes or solutions, along with their fitness scores. Individuals having better fitness scores are given more chances to reproduce than the other individuals who have poorer fitness scores comparatively. Individuals with better fitness scores are selected who mate and produce better offsprings by combining chromosomes of the fit parents. Always the new generation of the solution will have better fitness than the parent population because the parent are two fit uh, individuals who make a fitter individual. The operators of the GA. As you can see, the algorithm uses certain biological concepts as operators to find better solutions. For example, crossover, mutation, or selection. In the image we have shown, the um, crossover of the GAs, where you can see one parent and the second parent, which has a completely fit and better offspring. Let us look into the uses of GA. The genetic algorithms are primarily used in optimization of problems of various kinds, but they are frequently used in other application areas. Let's see optimization. In optimization, genetic algorithms are most commonly used in optimization problems, wherein we have to maximize or minimize a given objective function value under a given set of constraints. DNA analysis. GAs have been used to determine the structures of the DNA using spectrometric data about the sample. Neural networks. GA are also used to train neural networks, particularly recurrent neural networks. Parallelization. I'm sorry. GAs also have very good parallel capabilities and prove to be very effective means in solving certain problems and also provide a good area of research. Let us look into the advantages and the disadvantages of GA. Let's start with the advantage. It does not require any derivative information which may not be available for many real-world problems. It is faster and more effective than compared to the traditional methods. It provides a list of multiple good solutions and not just a single solution. Now for the disadvantages. GAs are not suited for all problems, especially problems which are simple and for which derivative information is available. The fitness value is calculated repeatedly, which might be computationally expensive. Being stochastic, there are no guarantees on the optimability or the quality of the solution. That is it for the cell series. Thank you very much.